How to replace a lost real ID. Replacing a lost real ID generally begins with checking your state's DMV website to see if you are eligible for an online replacement. Many states allow you to order a duplicate card through their digital portal, as long as your address and personal details remain the same. This is the fastest method, as it bypasses the need for an in-person appointment and usually only requires your social security number and date of birth for verification. However, if you have recently moved or your previous ID was near its expiration date, you will likely be required to visit a local office to complete the process. If an in-person visit is necessary, you should prepare to provide documentation that proves your identity and residency, even if you have submitted these before. This typically includes a valid U.S. passport or birth certificate, your social security card, or a W-2 form, and 2 separate documents confirming your current residential address, such as utility bills or bank statements. It is highly recommended to schedule an appointment in advance, as Real ID services often involve more thorough verification steps than standard renewals, leading to longer wait times for walk-in customers. During your visit or through the online application, you will need to pay a replacement fee, which varies by state, but generally falls between $10 and $35. If you suspect that your ID was stolen rather than simply misplaced, it is wise to file a police report to create a paper trail in case of identity theft. In some jurisdictions, presenting a police report may result in a fee waiver or the issuance of a new ID number to ensure your security. For those with immediate travel plans, losing a real ID does not necessarily mean you cannot fly. The TSA has procedures in place to verify your identity at the airport, using a combination of other documents and security questions based on public records. If you find yourself in this situation, you should arrive at the airport at least 2 hours earlier than usual to allow for the additional screening process while you wait for your new physical card to arrive in the mail. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.